Do you want to save your Canva file as a Word document? Follow these simple steps. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can save your document in a Word file. So let's get started. So if you are working with your own documents or using pre-created pre-made template, uh, the process is same. So I will just open up my account, sorry, I will just open up my documents. It's right here. So if I am just confirmed with and finalized with my version here, so I will just go to the exporting process. So step one, just click on share and click download. And after clicking on download, you will get this type of option field where I can select PDF and docx, which is our ultimate goal. And we will also make sure that what size of paper we are going to download. So I'm just going with A4 size, and I will file type choose I will choose file type as docx. So here you can see some font may not display correctly in this format. Try downloading as a PDF. So I'm just gonna ignore this issue. Just hit download, and eventually it will be download in a moment. It's downloaded, and I will just open it for you so you can see is it working or not. So here you can see my document is downloaded, and it's I can edit in my Word file. So this is how you can download or export your file in Word document. That's it for today. If you got any question, drop them in comments, and if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and I will catch you up in the next one. Stay tuned.